Good morning, children. My name is Bhavagayas. I am your EVS teacher. Today, this class is first class for you all. Okay. Now you all came from first standard to second standard. You all came to second standard. So you all very well know about EVS. About EVS. So, what is the meaning of EVS? I already taught you in the last class. It means in the previous class. That means first standard. So, EVS means is environmental studies. What? Environmental studies. So, EVS means is environmental studies. So, in the every period I am going to write EVS. Okay. This is the first period, so I have written full sentence, full name of the EVS. So now this is the class of first class. This is your class, second standard. My period is first period for all you. And today I'll tell you about EVS. What is the meaning of EVS? You all very well know. EVS is a environmental studies, and what we can see, what we are going to see around us or around you. So for example, animals, river, lake, land, trees, plants, hills, etc. things. So these are all is situated around us, no? So this is called environment. This is called environment. What is their environment? We are going to study about that. We are going to study about that. For example, river, example plants and hills, animals, birds, insects. So these all will come under the environment. Okay. Let's start our class now. Okay. So I'll show you. So this is your first EVS, second standard EVS book. First I have to show this. So this is your EVS textbook, and here it is, see, here only they have written environmental studies. Text come workbook, class 2. Okay. So now tell the children what you are seeing. For example, you are being in a home. You are seeing what you see. You are being in a home, no? Okay, you are sitting in front of the mobile. In front of the mobile, what you are seeing? Mobile, pencil, book, things, chair, table, cat. Is there even in your home cat? Yes, cat. Okay, then outside. If you went to outside, means what we are going to see? There, animals, isn't it? Animals. Uncle, aunt, relations, neighbors, school, park, plants, flower plant, pot, etc. Everything. So you have eyes to see everything, no? So you are going to see everything. So everything you are going to see. Like that only. Here today I am going to tell you about introduction of animal. That is lesson number first. Introduction of animal. Introduction of animal. So what introduction we are going to give? So here the animals are a major group of organism. The animals are a major group of organism. It's classified into a different types. They are animals. See, animals are major group. Animals and birds and insects. Isn't it? So what is this? Animals, I have told you animals. Animals means animals only. Yes. Is there any different? Yes, you are right. It is there different. It is there. So animals, birds, insects. In this, Animal, see, human also one kind of animal. Human also one kind of animal. But in the animal, so we are not the same. Animal and we are not the same. But little bit similarity is there. Little similarity is there, but not too equal. Okay, not too equal. But here, animals can walk. Animals can walk by its limbs. By its limbs. What is the meaning of by its limbs or legs? So here animals can walk by its limbs or legs. So here you see I have written animals can walk by its limbs. What is the meaning of limbs? ಕಾಲುಗಳು, ಹಿಂಗಾಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂಗಾಲು ಮುಂಗಾಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಾಲಿಂದ ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಕ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 legs. They have 4 legs. See how many legs? They have 4 legs, isn't it? 4 legs they have. What their different it is? Tail they have. Tail, isn't it? Tail they have. What horn they have? Isn't it? Horn they have. So these are all the animals find out. How could we find out animals? See, animals we can find out by its character and parts, isn't it? They have tail, legs, 4 legs, horn, etc. Fine. So this is animals. In that animals, birds also is there. Birds also is a one kind of animals. But why we call birds? Because birds have wings. What? The specialties. Why we call it a birds? Birds have special features. What? Wings. Wings means ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Wings. Birds have wings. Okay, it has a feathers. Birds have feathers, isn't it? Feathers. And beak. What? Beak. It has beak. It has beak. Okay. Then it lays egg. Birds lays egg. Birds lays egg. Isn't it? Does animal give egg? No. Animal give baby of the same kind of animal. Okay. But birds will give egg. Birds will lay egg. Understand? So these are the feature of birds. Okay. So birds have wings, fly in the sky. Birds are the, what is the special to birds? That is also animal. That also animals. Animals. This animal world means we can consider animals, birds, insects. Okay. So these 3 will come under the animals. As a human being also one kind of animal. But the features depends to make parts here. Okay. So animals, birds and insects. So next come to that is insect. So why we call insects? Insects are very small. Insects are very small. Very small. And it has 6 or 8 legs. Isn't it? Have you counted insects have 8 or 6 legs? First of all, tell me, do you find out insects? Yes, obviously. In our room, always been, see, cockroach, lizard, ant, especially ant. Have you taken bite of the ant? Obviously, it's happened to me also. You also find. So insects are very small. It's very small, and it has 6 or 8 legs. Okay, and maybe they have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. One or 2 pairs of wings. Isn't it? Example, cockroach has no 2 wings. They have feather. So it's insects means insects are very small